guys are excited. You know why they're excited? Because tomorrow we're going hiking. Texted Amy and I texted Tim, and we are going to go to Pogue Creek Canyon Natural area up around Big South Fork, Jamestown area. I got some beef jerky, got my RX bar. This has dog snacks in it. It's their water bowl. I got some kibbles and some dog treats. And water bottles. I got a couple bottles in my pack. Got my Nun tablets, or Nun tablets, or Nun tablets, or whatever, electrolyte hydration tablets. Those are good if you're on the trail. Other thing I'm going to get ready tonight is my Anchor battery charger. Got a little extra one here that we got as a present one year. Creek Canyon State Natural area. We are about half an hour early, so we're going to have to wait on my sister for a little while. We're gonna go up. It looks like parking's not gonna be a problem. Yep, this is where we are. It's not a very good map. It's like right here in the corner. Best map ever. We're hiking. Not sure how many miles we're gonna have. I'm thinking maybe 8-ish. Not sure. Okay, I got my new Ultras on. Got these right before Christmas. These are usually like 120 bucks. Sometimes you can find them on sale for about 60 or 70. I got these for $9. So I'm looking forward to getting them muddy today. Alrighty, just into the hike. We're at the Turkey Roost Rock House, which is just this huge rock cliff. Kind of see how big it is, and Amy's in the foreground. Just goes on around here. Come on, Molly, let's go. Roscoe, come on. Ooh, some of these rocks look fresh, like they might have just chunked down off the cliff. I can tell you right now that hiking with two dogs that are excited to be on the trail is quite difficult. Come on. This is the overlook. What's this, Pogue Canyon overlook? Wow. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Imagine having this at your back door, though. This would be pretty cool. Careful, Tim.
She's afraid that I'm going to throw her off.
Careful, dude. Pork sausage. Careful, Molly. Well, this trail has been pretty cool so far. We did have the ladder challenge, which was the biggest deal with Amy's dog because he's so large, kind of a chicken. And we stopped here under this huge rock overhang, and we're getting some pictures and just taking a second. This trail is a good trail and dogs are allowed on a leash, but I would be really cautious of that ladder area if you come with your dog. That's wild. Kick her in the face. That'll be good footage. Look to your left there, Tim. Look to your left, up to your left. It looks like a handhold to your left.
Can you not get it right there?
Maybe.
Nope.
Check this out, like a cave. Hang on. Yeah, I imagine people do camp in there. It's pretty far back in here. Ah, pretty neat. This looks pretty interesting. Whoa. Wow, this is Killdeer Arch. Oh, we just climbed up an enormous set of stairs, wood steps that were built. Thank goodness, because we wouldn't be up here if it hadn't been for those steps. So, we're going out to this overlook. We're headed back on the alternate trail, which shows on the map to be a pretty good descent. And you can certainly tell we're descending. So this is a nice plush trail. I'm guessing it used to be a logging trail, logging road, I mean. Not sure, but it is nice. But it will go back down here and connect to the original trail that we came in on with all the rock formations and stuff. I'm not sure how far it is. Probably not too far. So I just logged off of making the one about the alternate. Not sure how far. Molly, come here. Molly, come here. How far it was back to the trail. There it is. Not far at all. Not even a mile. What you got there, Timmy? We're almost back to the car. Go, dude. That's cool looking. Wow. I wonder what happened to get it that jacked up. This trail was an awesome trail. It was, Molly, come on, this way. Not as far as I thought it was going to be, which is fine, because it was plenty with these two dogs on a wet, muddy trail with lots of rocks, and it's challenging. So, anyway, we had a good hike. Everybody enjoyed it. Tons of photo ops, for sure. And we're almost back to the car. And we're back. Here we are.